Hello, everybody. My name is Tucker Johnson, and I just picked up the mail, and I have the latest issue of Multilingual magazine in my hand, and it is a thick one today. We've got a special treat with the imminent report in here, and of course the Samba Nava on the cover. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here and let you guys know what is in store. I of course got mine ahead of time, so you guys, if you are multilingual subscribers, then you'll be able to pick yours up from the mailbox in the next week or three. And if you're not a multilingual subscriber, then why aren't you? You can go over to multilingual.com/subscription or subscribe, I believe, and sign up today so that you can get these in the mail. So without further ado, let's take a look here. We're going to open this up, being careful not to cut up poor Sasan's face here. I think I can get the rest of this right here. This is very nice packaging. Awesome. So we have Sasan on one side and of course the imminent report on the other side. And if you're not aware of the imminent report, this is a great report. It's put out every year by Translated, and they partner with Multilingual Media to do the publishing of it, the publication and the distribution of it. Shout out to Luca Di Biase for all of the great work that he does on that. And it's just a really great resource. I actually got an advanced copy a while back, so I've already had a chance to check this out. But it's a beautiful, beautiful book. If you didn't get your copy, I believe they actually have them on for sale nowadays, so you can still go get a copy even if you didn't pick yours up in the mail. Multilingual, of course, I need to selfish motives here. If you skip ahead to page 82, that's where my article is. I actually have an article that I wrote for Multilingual, but we've got great work by Loy Cyril, Jackie Yanis, Ishvan Lengyol, who was just on my podcast the other day, Alfred Metwali, who else we got here? Christian Elongwe and Sylvian Agobo, Dizis Grouse, Shabnam Lily D'Souza, Jeff Beatty. I was talking to Marjolein over at Multilingual, and she was just really thrilled and excited with the quality of the articles that were submitted for the publication for the June issue. And oh, what's this? We got a bonus here. Imminent. I am pleased to present Worldwide Wisdom, Imminent's annual research report, as a complimentary gift to multilingual subscribers. This is a very nice letter from Marco Trombetti over at Translated. And I'm not going to read this whole letter for you here, just some excerpts. Imminent is the research center of Translated, a leader in the localization industry and pioneer in combining human creativity with machine intelligence. We envision a world in which everyone can understand and be understood in their native language. That's really nice. All right, so we looked at Imminent. This is what you guys are going to be getting here. And don't mind my messed up hand. It's from falling because I'm getting old. And this is just a really great resource. And I'm really excited that I got my issue ahead of time here. And check your mailboxes, folks. If you're out there, I think US subscribers will probably get theirs first based upon the typical distribution times, and followed by our international subscribers. But once again, very exciting issue with the imminent report that I have not even made it all the way through yet. I'm still working on my way through that one, and a very nice letter from Mr. Marco Trombetti over there. So I hope you enjoyed this impromptu unboxing video. Once again, my name is Tucker Johnson, and congratulations to Sasan, to Marco, to Marjolein, all of the whole team over there at Multilingual, the whole team over there at Translated and Imminent. Really bang up job, guys. I really appreciate the work that you're doing, and I'm excited to get the feedback from everybody else out there in the industry as you start receiving your copies. Cheers.